future of this country will be grown, not just built. It will be planted in the soil, tended by the hands of our farmers, and harvested from the brilliance of our scientists. That is why I'm proud, deeply proud, to stand before you today at this 22nd KALRO Scientific Conference and Innovation Expo.
5 years ago, we gathered our inaugural scientific conference, a milestone that marked KALRO deliberate step toward more open, more rigorous, and more connected scientific culture. Today we return not merely to repeat the exercise, but to build upon it. The theme of the second edition, Innovation for Sustainable Agri-Food Systems, Climate Change Resilience, and Improved Livelihoods, speak to where we are as an institution and where times demand we do.
During the conference, which is taking place physically and also virtually, our teams across KALRO are already following and scientific community are following. We will be presenting close to 325 research outputs from the different thematic areas. That is good, incredibly good progress. But papers presented alone would not make change. During this week 2, we have 48 exhibitors that we want all the participants to also have an opportunity to visit. We have prepared 8 tailor-made side events to discuss specific areas of concern. One of these side events is just to discuss, it cuts across livestock and it cuts across crops. Why are we having that research camp? Why are we having innovations in, for example, varieties, and it's not getting to the farmers? And we are prepared to discuss that in some of those side events.
Over the next 5 days, this venue will be a vibrant marketplace of ideas, a hub of innovations, and a meeting point for researchers, policymakers, development partners, private sector, farmers, and students.
We at the ministry, all the state departments, collectively, in a whole government approach, want to work together with KALRO to transform agriculture. We want solutions that are driven by the questions the farmers are asking.
Over the years, CGR centers and KALRO, together with its predecessor institutions, have worked side by side to develop and scale innovations in crop improvement, livestock development, animal health, climate-smart agriculture, natural resource management, food systems transformation, and policy research. This long-standing collaboration has contributed significantly to Kenya's agricultural transformation and continues to support the country's food security, climate resilience, and economic development goals.
Gone are the days where we can work with each crop and each value chain. There's all these connections. So we're hoping to bring that also, looking at systems in terms of specific crop.
The urgency is clear. The tools are ready. It is time to bridge science and productivity at scale.
I work for one simple goal, zero hunger in food for all. Something that drove me to this conference, I had a project that I was researching about that was about food loss and waste here in Kenya, because something key and something irony is that how comes there are still people, individuals who are going to bed every day hungry, and yet we are having massive loss in the marketplaces, in our schools, in our dining tables, and also in the marketplaces. I'm trying to target the youth, at least to engage themselves in agriculture research, because you understand that the youth are the future of tomorrow. And especially engaging in agriculture, agriculture is the backbone of our economy.
First of all, we are very excited to have all these stakeholders coming in. To me, it is a platform where we can showcase what we've done as KALRO and also celebrate the achievements we've done so far with our partners in research and extension. It is one of those very important platforms where we want to really bridge the gap between science and extension.
We are here actually, and we are happy that KALRO has made this possible, and we are actually looking forward to actually signing an MOU with KALRO, because we believe there is so much we can do together. We have been doing trainings at CTech University to empower farmers, and I believe that you are the right partners, and thank you very much for organizing such a big event.